Here's how you can get your C4 boiler, hot water heating, and steam fitting contractor's license in California. First, consider the requirements. You must have at least 4 years of journeyman level experience in boiler, hot water heating, and steam fitting. Journeyman level is defined as the experience gained when an individual is no longer a trainee or apprentice, and that individual can perform boiler, hot water heating, and steam fitting work without supervision. In addition to the experience requirements, you must be at least 18 years old. However, due to the 4-year journeyman level experience requirement, we recommend applying for the C4 boiler, hot water heating, and steam fitting contractor license when you are 23 or older. The final requirement is to have a Social Security number, or ITIN, Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. If you meet these requirements, you're ready to apply. As a student at Contractors Intelligence School, your course includes a detailed timeline which will guide you through the licensing process. Videos will be provided to guide you every step, including how to fill out an application, scheduling your exam, instructions on completing the LifeScan fingerprinting, and details on any additional steps required by the Contractors State Licensing Board. To begin the process, fill out the state application, which our staff will review and hand deliver to the Contractor State Licensing Board for processing. Around a month after your application is submitted, a notice will be issued that your application has been processed and that you can now schedule your exam. You'll be taking 2 state exams, the Law and Business exam and the Trade exam. All questions are multiple choice. You will have 3.5 hours to complete each exam. Both exams must be passed in order to obtain a contractor license number. Contractors Intelligence School will prepare you for these exams. While keeping your busy schedule in mind, our program is designed to be simple, time efficient, and guarantees success on your first try. Our course includes exam preparation videos which contain 3D illustrations and images for better comprehension. The reading material is carefully selected. We even provide an audio course for learning on the go. The practice tests combine the online, written, and audio elements and include the ever-popular video explanations. You'll be able to access the course through our exclusive mobile app, giving you the flexibility to study anywhere. If you haven't signed up yet, you can create a free demo account and see what it's like to be a student. Check out the link in the description below. After passing both exams, you'll receive instructions outlining the final paperwork needed before a contractor's license number is issued. Submitting this final paperwork and completing the final process can sometimes be tricky, but with our guidance, it couldn't be simpler. If you carry out these steps, congratulations, you will be a licensed contractor. Now it's time to get out there and earn more money as your own boss.